Good morning, everyone. Myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor, working at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And today we are going to see why the solar energy is much essential when it's comparing to all the other renewable energy sources. So first thing is, we know there are various type of energies. Basically, the energy is created by the means of sun. So sun plays a major role in creating all the renewable energies. But when it's comparing to others, there are two sources which we can directly rely on. The first one is nuclear, and the second one is solar energy. Okay, because when it's come to fossil fuel, the amount of the fossil fuel is being drastically reducing comparing to the other sources. So the depletion of the fossil fuel will be estimated within 150 years. Okay, so after that there will be no fossil fuel or any other type of like petroleum, diesel and everything. Okay, so we will ran out of those things. For an alternative fuel, we are looking for solar and nuclear. Okay, but when we compare these two form of energy sources, first is take for example nuclear. Nuclear can be used to produce energy, but it has its own challenges, like the cost to implement a nuclear power plant is very much higher. At the same time, the maintenance of the nuclear reactor is also a challenging one, and it also lead to major side effects when it's comparing to the solar. Okay. So that's why instead of nuclear, nowadays most of them are concentrating on solar, okay, which is very much less in maintenance, and the installment amount is not much higher, and also there is no side effect, and the abundant amount of radiation, solar sunlight we get during the day will make it easier to produce energy. That's why solar energy is preferred when comparing to all the other energy sources. Okay. So modern scientific research in the utilization of solar energy was commenced in 1855 when C. Gunther, an Australian, invented a solar boiler using mirrors. Okay. In 1876, an American inventor, John Ericsson, who invented several types of hot air engines prior to the date, visualized that at sometime in the next future, a chain of solar power stations was found across the North Africa. Okay, so these are the evolution of how the solar energy is being utilized. Okay, the Middle East, India, Australia, and Central America would be settled in the later half of the last century, and during the first of the century, progress in the field of energy research was fairly slow. Okay. The main reason why the solar is being slow for the decade is because of the implementation. Okay. And the efficiency is very low. Before 10 to 15 years, the efficiency of a solar power plant is very low. That's why it was not used in major parts. Okay, but now the solar panel, due to high-tech solar panel and the batteries like lithium ion, so these are the technologies which made it the solar to access easily by us. So that's why most of them are nowadays comparatively comparing to others, we have been using solar energy. Okay. So this is the main importance of solar energy, and that's a major inflection of solar energy utilities.